Yoga, an ancient discipline deeply rooted in the traditions of India that span thousands of years, offers a powerful path to spiritual awakening and personal transformation. This multifaceted system, steeped in the wisdom of age-old sages, stands steadfast as a beacon of hope for those on the arduous journey towards self-realization. At the heart of this profound journey lies an intricate design, a multi-threaded tapestry woven with the fibers of physical prowess, mental fortitude, and spiritual elevation. Through the skillful integration of postures, breathwork, meditation, and philosophical contemplation, yoga serves as a conduit, a guiding light directing individuals to unravel the layers of their existence and unearth the sublime truths that lie dormant within their being. On a physical level, the practice of yoga imparts a transformative touch to the human body. It bestows upon it an enhanced sense of strength, flexibility, and vitality that resonates and echoes far beyond the confines of the yoga mat. Asanas or postures are the cornerstone of this corporeal metamorphosis. Through their meticulous execution, practitioners coax dormant muscles into action, liberating them from the shackles of a sedentary lifestyle. With each nuanced stretch, each controlled breath, the body gradually unfurls, shedding its inherent rigidity and embracing a fluidity that mirrors the ebb and flow of existence itself. The spine, once bent and stooped, finds its upright majesty. Joints, once creaking and stiff, discover newfound suppleness. Within this practice, this arena of transformation, the body emerges as more than a mere vessel. It evolves, transforms, and metamorphosizes into a temple, a sanctuary of serenity and strength in which the soul may truly reside and express the many blessings it has to share with the world. Yet, the transformative power of yoga extends far beyond the realm of the physical. It delves deep into the inner recesses of the mind, traversing the labyrinth of consciousness, unlocking the hidden corridors of the psyche. Through the harmonious union of breath and awareness, pranayama, the ancient science of breath control, becomes the key that unlocks the dormant potential of the mind. As the breath becomes the focal point of attention, its steady rhythm harmonizes with the cadence of thought, creating a symphony of heightened awareness. In this sacred space of tranquility, the ceaseless chatter of the mind gently recedes, unveiling a serene expanse where clarity and insight can take root, blossom, and flourish. With each deep inhalation, the mind draws sustenance. With each gentle exhalation, it releases stagnation. Through this rhythmic dance of breath, practitioners unearth the wellspring of their own wisdom, dissolving the veils that obscure their true essence while conquering deep presence. Furthermore, yoga serves as a bridge, a connector, linking the tangible world with the ethereal realms of spirit and consciousness. Anchored in ancient philosophies, it invites individuals to contemplate the profound questions that underpin human existence. Through the careful study of sacred scriptures like the Bhagavad Gita and the Upanishads, practitioners navigate the vast, expansive universe of metaphysical inquiry. They find resonance in the timeless teachings of unity, interconnectedness, and the divine spark that resides within all beings. Immersed in this boundless ocean of wisdom, the individual realizes their place in the grand mosaic of existence, recognizing the threads that bind them to the cosmos itself, realizing the interconnectedness of all life. Much like a master key, yoga's practice unlocks not only the door to a higher level of consciousness, but also emotional well-being. It extends the boundaries of individual understanding and perception, allowing practitioners to tap into the vast reservoir of universal wisdom. This wisdom, often shrouded in the mysteries of the cosmos, becomes accessible through the meditative practices of yoga. And then, the same wisdom permeates the emotional sphere, cultivating a sense of inner peace, joy, and contentment that is independent of external circumstances. Through its practices, yoga helps practitioners to navigate the turbulent waters of emotions, fostering emotional resilience. It equips them with the tools to observe their emotions without becoming entangled in them, thereby promoting emotional well-being and inner harmony. Moreover, yoga embodies the essence of balance. Balance between body and mind, between effort and ease, between the physical and the spiritual. It teaches practitioners to walk the middle path, fostering a sense of equilibrium in all aspects of life. This balance, in turn, promotes a state of holistic well-being, enhancing the quality of life and contributing to longevity. In a world characterized by constant change and uncertainty, yoga provides a sense of grounding. It acts as an anchor, helping individuals stay centered amidst the whirlwind of life's challenges. By fostering a deep sense of connection with the self, it empowers individuals to navigate life with grace, courage, and resilience. Yoga is more than just a practice, it's a way of life. It encourages individuals to live mindfully, to make conscious choices that promote health and well-being, and to cultivate a deep sense of reverence for life. It fosters an awareness of the interdependence of all forms of life, urging individuals to live in harmony with nature and with one another. That's why in yoga, the transformation of the individual transcends the boundaries of the self, rippling outwards to touch the lives of those in their sphere of influence. Through the embodiment of compassion, kindness, and equanimity, practitioners become beacons of light in a world often shrouded in darkness. The transformative power of yoga thus extends far beyond the confines of the mat. It permeates relationships, communities, and societies at large, bridging divides, healing wounds, fostering understanding. As individuals become vessels of love and understanding, they sow seeds of positive change, nurturing a collective awakening that holds the potential to reshape the very fabric of human existence. And so, the power of yoga to catalyze profound transformation in individuals, spiritually, physically, and mentally, stands as a testament to its enduring wisdom and timeless efficacy. Through the seamless integration of physical postures, breathwork, meditation, and philosophical contemplation, practitioners embark on a journey that unravels the layers of their being, revealing the luminous core that lies within. Physically, yoga bestows upon them strength, flexibility, and vitality, transforming the body into a vibrant temple of the soul. Mentally, it cultivates a sanctuary of stillness within the tumult of thoughts, allowing the ceaseless chatter of the mind to subside and paving the way for clarity and insight to emerge. Spiritually, yoga invites individuals to explore the profound truths that underpin existence, fostering a sense of unity and interconnectedness with the cosmos. This transformative journey, however, does not end within the confines of the individual. Instead, it radiates outward, igniting a ripple effect of positive change that holds the potential to shape the course of human history. In the power of yoga, individuals find not only a path to self-realization, but also a beacon of hope for a world yearning for healing and transformation. And along the way, they become an aspect of that very beacon.